Hey everyone! Get ready to bring the cozy, irresistible flavors of autumn right into your kitchen. Today, we're making homemade apple cider donuts, and trust me, they are an absolute game changer. Forget long lines at the orchard. You can make these incredible treats yourself. What makes these donuts so special? It's all about that concentrated apple cider flavor. We reduce fresh apple cider to intensify its sweetness and tang, then combine it with warm spices like cinnamon and nutmeg. This creates a donut that's moist, fragrant, and bursting with fall goodness. Don't be intimidated. This recipe is super friendly for all skill levels. You'll start by mixing your dry and wet ingredients separately, then gently combining them. The batter comes together quickly, and then it's ready for baking in a donut pan or frying to golden perfection. The final touch? A generous toss in a sweet, spiced sugar coating while they're still warm. This creates that iconic crispy exterior and melt-in-your-mouth interior. Every bite is pure, blissful autumn, a taste of fall in every mouthful. These apple cider donuts are perfect for breakfast, a delightful dessert, or a cozy afternoon snack. They're surprisingly simple to make and guarantee a delicious reward. So grab your apron and let's get baking. You'll be so glad you did.